So what I have to do, I have to get a stick and tie them up. You just you see like how I tie this up and how I tie this up and this one and this one. I have to do this because I'm gonna be mad myself if I don't do it. These plants loving this rain right at this moment. Yeah, loving this at this moment. Remember guys, I told you all I'm gonna start cleaning up the garden. If you look, as you could see, I start doing it already. Yeah, but this is wonderful. This is really good. These plants been struggling all summer. We hardly get any rain, they hardly get any water, but at the same time, they were still producing and still growing. Yeah, but you see this fall underground. Look at this. You see? From down there come right up. So now I got to get a stick. You see like how I do this? Just like how I do this, I have to do the same with these. You know, it takes time in your garden. I'm not gonna just tell you it's a Bella Rose in your garden. You know what I'm saying? You have to take that extra time and do extra things. You know what I'm saying? I try to teach. I try to show you guys everything step by step. The reason why I didn't plant anything more this year is because I wasn't getting any rain, and if I plant they would have dry out. So I tell myself, you know what, I'm not gonna plant nothing else. I'm gonna just stick to what I have. So right now I did a video with these pepper right here when I plant them. I did a video, and right about now I have lose some from the rain that come the last time. I lose a lot of blossom, but at least, you know, it's still holding on a pepper. This one, yes, it's still holding on. Look at these tomato, cherry tomato, they just running. So I'm just loving it right at this moment. I'm just enjoying it. Yeah, just like the plants them loving it, I'm loving it too. You see, I already picked 2 okra, and I have a few more that I want to pick. But right at this moment, the plants is enjoying this rain. They want this rain so bad. You know, I want to show you guys something, right? With some cabbage I have here. I harvest these cabbage, right? I harvest these cabbage, and what I did, I just break it out and leave it. But if you notice, the cabbage starts springing back. Look at this one also. I don't know if you've seen, but it starts springing back. So it seems like I can get another crop from these cabbage. Look at this one. All of them start springing back. How beautiful. That's the reason why I never break them. I could have pulled them up, but I decide I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna leave them and see if they're gonna come back. And right now, they're pushing back leaf. So I'm gonna make sure I keep you guys posted about this cabbage. You know, it's really excited. Really, really excited. You know, right now, you got to excuse my garden, but I'm trying. Look, this one here. This one is naturally coming back. I don't know if you see? Naturally coming back. Even this one. Yeah, so my thing now is, watch, look at this peach. I don't know if you guys see the peach. Oh, how tasty. I'm telling you guys, I could imagine what you guys saying right now. I can imagine. I want to pick them so bad. But I'm going to just leave them for a few more days. Yes, guys. So the rain has finally come. And I'm loving it. And the plants, I'm loving it. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to use this day to clean up this garden and make it look a little better than this. Alright? So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.